Hey folks, so this is Shetz, and I just really want to remind you that this is Class Kick right now. We're on slide 18, and that's page 17 of your handwritten. But I'm here to help you, and I'm usually on my office hours between 2 and 3 in the afternoon, and I can give you help in real time. And I wanted to go over the answers of page 17 from a few days ago. So this right here, we know they are alternating interior angles, and if that's 50, that's 50. But the question I had for you guys was, what is the value of Z? And I got quite many different answers. Well, we know that these two pink angles are same side interiors, and they're going to add up to 180. But guess what? 150 is 150. That makes Z has to be 30. And when I get down to here, the other question was, what's the value in number 11? What's the value of Y? Well, I know these are opposite sides, property number 1. Opposite sides are equal. I'm going to let them equal each other, which I've done here in blue. And now we have to subtract 1 from both sides, and that's going to give me 2y equals 42. And when you divide by 2, you're going to get a 21. So I hope that in these Edpuzzle questions, you're not just throwing down any answer. You can see I've supplied my work to here. So let's go jump up to page 20 and Actually, I'm going to help you out and do some of these problems for you. I want you to do for homework the rest of page 20. All the problems that I do not do. Now, some of these questions are from quite a few months ago, and it's asking, I'll do the slope of AB. Well, here's A and there's B. I'm going to go up 1 and over 4, and this actually should be a 1/4. So I rose 1, there's my rise. And we know that slope is rise over run. So I went up 1 and over 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's my run. So the answer to the slope of AB is 1/4. Rise over run. You may do the rest of these 3 problems and also label these other points in your graph. We jump down to here, and this is the good old distance formula. Here I've written the distance formula. I'm going to go from B to C. Notice B's coordinates are 4, 1, and C is 7, 5. I subtract my x's right here, 4 and 7, and then 1 and 5. They're my y's. And I get -3 squared and -4 squared. Please make sure you use parentheses around them. That'll give me a +9 and a +16, which is 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. So the length of B to C is 5. You may now do the distance formula for AB, CD, and DA. Please do that for homework. And then when we jump down here, again, find the length of C to D. Well, I'm sorry, that says find the slope of C to D. Again, you could just count with your finger. The length of AB and the length of CD is just like we did up here. So please use that distance formula. We go down to number 4. I'll do this midpoint. I would like you to do the midpoint of B to D. Here's my midpoint formula. And if I do A to C, then we get 2 plus 6. And I'll draw a line to those. 2 plus 6, that's our x's. And then our y's will be a 1 plus 4. Here's my work here. 2 plus 6 is 8 over 2, which is a 4. And 1 plus 4 over 2 is 5, and that's 5 over 2. So there's my answer to the midpoint of AC. I would like you to find the midpoint of BD. Please do the work. And we've had these two formulas a while ago, and they should be very, very familiar to you. There you go, folks. So this is page 20. And again, it's kind of reviewing old stuff that we've done, but it gives us a good idea of what we've done in the past, and this helps with our parallelograms. There you go, folks. You have a great day.